Planning 2019 in advance? The whole year? Really? I mean, is it possible? Yes, we all can get ourselves prepared for the coming year even before the year starts. And for that, we just need maximum an hour. Yes, only 1 hour. Now the question arises, how can we do it? So today's video is all about this. I do this ritual every year and believe me, it helps me a lot in planning my days, my goals, and not to forget my budgeting and savings. So what do? I do this before making my yearly planner. I take with me all the required things, the next year calendar and my kid's school diary for his yearly activities, and then sit back to write all the important dates month-wise. All the birthdays, anniversaries, festivals, holidays, no school days, bill due days, then if there is any insurance premium days, parties, outings, everything. You can also create a mini bucket list for the year. Not the one that one day I will go to Disneyland type of stuff, but the one like I would like to go to a particular restaurant or throw a party kind of things. You can also make a list of all the major expenditures if you are planning to have the next year. By looking ahead at the year in advance, you can determine which months you can afford to do certain things and also develop a realistic budget to make ends meet without making any bad financial decisions just to get things done. Like if you have planned the birthdays in advance for the whole year, you can buy gifts beforehand without being stressed. Or if you have planned to throw a party or go for an outing or a vacation, or if you have any major expenditure, you can save a small amount every month for a particular time period so that you don't have to feel pressurized at once when you are about to spend money for those things. Okay, there may be something for which you don't know the exact date it will fall on. You can just write it to the side of that particular month you think it will fall in. Friends, I have been doing this for a long time, calendaring out my whole year in advance. It may sound crazy, but if you give it a try, I promise you, you will end up loving it. Sit down before the year starts and calendar out everything you can think of. See, the new year is an exciting time, no matter how cliche it is. Frankly speaking, you don't need a new year to get started. The key to success is to get started. Preparing yourself for a fresh start may just be a motivation or inspiration for you to actually take things seriously this year. Alright friends, if you have any questions, then leave them down below in the comment section. I will do my best to answer them. And if this is your first time, then make sure you subscribe. I will be here on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays talking all about home and life organization. Hope you liked this video and have a wonderful days ahead. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.